Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to repair water leaking inside a refrigerator. Step 1. Unplug the fridge. Unplug the refrigerator from the electrical outlet. Step 2. Remove access panel. Step 3. Flush the defrost drain. Step 4. Clear the drain. Step 5. Plug it back in.
Let's help you make your mark.
Why is the bottom of the inside of my fridge wet? Pools of water pools inside the refrigerator means that there's a condensation problem with your appliance. The water drain, which prevents condensation, may be blocked. Remove the crispers to see if the water leak is coming from this drain.
Let's help you make your mark.
If your fridge has water pooling at the bottom, the defrost tube is your most likely suspect. Your defrost tube is what carries the water all the way down to the drain pan where it eventually evaporates. This tube can get clogged with ice or debris, which leads to water backing up and leaking back into the fridge.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.